Look at that, absolutely spotless. It's incredibly satisfying to bring these vintage pieces back to life. We were able to fully restore this vintage lens to its original clarity. The glass is absolutely spotless now, ready for another lifetime of use. Tools and technique, we can restore this lens to pristine condition. The key is the meticulous inspection protocol. The macro view highlights the extent of the contamination. Our process ensures every particle, like these skin oils, is meticulously removed. It's incredibly satisfying to see the dust disappear, getting right into the tight spaces here. Precision is key for the shutter button. Now it's flawless. At clarity, using the microfiber cloth gently removes all the fingerprints and dust, restoring it to perfect condition. This eyepiece was heavily soiled. We documented the contamination, and now it's perfectly clean. That's the difference professional care makes. Pristine clarity and optimal transmission. First, we use the rocket blower to clear any large particles. You can see how satisfyingly the dust lifts away. We apply the premium solution directly to the cloth. The result is always pristine. The key is in the preparation. Apply lightly to the microfiber, then use a gentle, overlapping circular pattern for a flawless result. And there we have it. Perfectly clear. Another successful restoration. Absolutely pristine. As you can see, the restoration is complete. As you can see, the rear element has significant contamination. But the restoration was successful. It's perfectly clear now. For these hard-to-reach elements, we use a specialized cleaning stick. As you can see, the restoration is complete. The clarity is absolutely pristine. Another successful restoration. Using the pressurized blower ensures every particle is removed. As you can see, the sensor is pristine. We take sensor cleaning seriously. With these professional tools and solutions, we guarantee a perfect restoration every single time. The key is the detailed macro documentation. And here is the final result, perfectly restored and ready for your next shoot. The contamination has been fully removed. The sensor is restored to optimal condition, ensuring perfect image quality.
We carefully peel back the paper backing, avoiding any contamination. Now we document the sterile preparation technique using the digital tablet.
Look at that clarity. While there are still a few specks left, the initial pass was highly effective. I'm documenting the results now. A precise amount is crucial. Then, using steady pressure, we glide the swab across the sensor in one pass. With a gentle, controlled swipe, the sensor is now perfectly restored. Precision is everything in this process. The process is meticulous, but as you can see, the results speak for themselves. We've captured all the oils and dust here. As you can see, the sensor is perfectly clean now. We are ready for reassembly. Precision is everything. We document every step, making sure each screw is perfectly placed before the cleaning process begins. And there we have it. The internal connectors are exposed and ready for cleaning. You can see the architecture of the R5 is incredibly dense. Every component must be meticulously documented during disassembly. Using the fine brush here ensures we don't scratch the silvering. Now, a quick burst with the blower to remove the loose dust. Here are the final results. We've restored every single piece to pristine condition, fully documented on the tablet.
We apply the solution directly to the contaminated area, scrubbing gently until the foam.
The macro cleaning process, ensuring every detail is addressed. The result is a flawless restoration.
The specialized solution immediately tackles the corrosion. After a quick brush and wipe, the connection is fully restored, ensuring peak performance.
The key is the meticulous rotation to remove the sulfate. The result, as you can see, is always worth the effort.
And here are the results. As you can see, the corrosion has been completely removed, leaving a pristine surface.
We've successfully removed all contaminants. This lens is now restored to factory condition. And here are the results. We've successfully removed all the oxidation, restoring full conductivity to the contacts. Using this specialized cleaner, we ensure a precise restoration. As you can see, the contacts are now immaculate. By carefully polishing the mount, we ensure perfect electrical connectivity. The transformation is complete, achieving professional quality results every time. First, we use the specialized blower to remove loose particles. Then, very gently with the fully restored to factory specifications. It's always satisfying to see the final result. The reassembly is complete. As you can see, the transformation is remarkable. It's fully restored and ready to go.
เป็นฟันหินแอนครีมแอนนะครับมันเองครับก็สิอีกเป็นจำเอสขึ้นด้านบนเนี่ยเป็นมีมา
And here is the final result. Look at that flawless mirror-like finish we achieved on this vintage body. It's truly stunning. The transformation on this vintage camera is finally complete. It required meticulous work, but as you can see in the comparison, the restoration was a total success. And here is the final result. Crystal clear, just like new. Another successful restoration. The image quality is exceptional. We've achieved perfect sharpness and zero aberration. The restoration is complete. And here are the final results on the test image. Absolutely spotless, professional quality achieved. Another successful restoration. And here is the final result. Perfectly restored and ready to capture some memories.
The contamination has been completely removed. We can now confirm full functionality and document the successful restoration.
And here are the results. Fully calibrated, perfectly clean, and ready for the field.